This is the best new review from the Video Local and the videoreview.com of the 4K Sony HandyCam 20 megapixel dual recording function camera, and it is incredible. With optical lens, motion sensor, Steadicam functions that I can't even explain, it is out of the box ferocious. Looks beautiful, feels great. A lot better than Canon, which was just a little too light and just kind of felt cheap. You can see it's got a great unified screen and SD card. Access from the top there. Simple functions, easy to use, big battery, charged well. I think it's got an add-on microphone, add-on light, but I don't believe it has an add-on lens, correct me if I'm wrong. And this would be the best review ever of Sony 4K, except I didn't realize you need a special SD card. First lesson thing you must know about the 4K camera. Sony HandyCam, first thing, be prepared to buy a new type of SD card that is faster. So the Video Review and the videolocal.com. We'll be right back. Thank you.